Today we're going to discuss a simple content strategy to rank higher on Google. So this strategy is going to utilize your Google My Business insights, and it's going to give you the keywords people are searching, and then you're going to create content off of that keyword. So this is one of the strategies that we utilize for our clients. This is pretty much the most basic way to get keywords. And so we're going to walk you through this strategy, and hopefully will help you get an idea, even if it's a video on social media or something that you go, a whole big thing that you write. This is going to at least give you stuff to talk about that people are interested in. So the first thing you're going to do is go to google.com/business so that you can get into the back end of your Google My Business. If you're not familiar with what a Google My Business is, this is what it looks like right here. It's your business and all your information that you're providing to Google. People can give you Google reviews and that type of thing. So let's just pull up a Google My Business. So we'll look at, this is a company that we work with. They're an arborist company, tree pruning, tree removal, those types of things. So when you go to their Google My Business, when you go to the Insights tab here, you can see how customers search for your business. So they've had, in the past month, about 1,500 people discover them searching for a product or service that they offer, and 260 people search for them by their name. So we want to see, okay, all these people that discovered you, what exactly are they searching to discover you? So we want to go to See New Profile Performance, and then we're going to scroll down, and it's going to give us a list of the search breakdown, and you see this is from February to July. So we have trees, arborist, growing earth tree care, arborist near me, certifies tree surgeon in this specific area. But let's go and we're going to look more. So basically what we're going to try and do is pick out a keyword that's in here and see if there's a way that we can make content around it. So dogwood tree, 52 people found us from searching for a dogwood tree. Now, it's not a lot of volume on that keyword, but maybe we take dogwood tree and we tie it into arborist, and we tie it into tree surgeon, and we talk about the dogwood tree specifically. Maybe it's native to this area. What are some of the reasons that you might hire a certified tree surgeon or an arborist? And maybe we talk about tree removal. When is the right time to remove for tree removal for a dogwood tree? So we're trying to pull in as many keywords as we can to tell Google, hey, yep, we are doing this kind of thing. So we have tree trimming near me, arborist, tree service. And so what's going to happen is, as you pull some of these keywords, that this is all free stuff from your Google My Business, then when someone searches for example, for tree pruning near me, Google's going to say, hey, this company does tree pruning near me. And they're going to show you in the organic rankings here. So this is called a local service pack. And if you notice, one of the big qualifiers is Google reviews. Just like if you were to pick a restaurant that you're going to eat at, right? This company, the company that we work with, has 165. This company has 246. So maybe these are the two big players. They're ranked number one over top of this one. So maybe you pick between them, but this company's been in business for 45 plus years. So what this allows you to do is to create content that Google is saying is what people are searching for. And then when people search for it, Google says, hey, here's a company that does this service. One of the big things is to get Google reviews, as you can see here. And I've created another video about how to get Google reviews. If you're interested, you can go check out our channel and watch that video. But if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and maybe comment below a simple strategies that you utilize. We grow local service businesses, and we partner with them to help them gain awareness online and acquire new customers. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.